Severe weather impacts are being felt all across our region, but in Kentucky, flood recovery remains the top priority. Kentucky remains under a state of emergency due to the flooding and then the snow. The state confirms 15 weather-related deaths. Transportation officials also say nearly 200 state and federal roads remain closed for hazardous conditions. Governor Andy Beshear says the state is now moving to the stabilization phase.
The major news today is over the course of today, we'll be moving from our emergency search and rescue phase to what we call the stabilization phase. And we'll be finishing up most all of our search and wellness checks. We'll be winding down our USAR and Swiftwater boat teams and moving more into providing services for our families that have been harmed.
Governor Beshear will attend a National Governors Association meeting at the White House Friday to speak with national officials about the needs of Kentuckians.